Good day, students. Okay, today we are going to discuss Math 2. Our lesson is all about reading, writing, and counting amounts of money. So before we start, are you ready to listen? Okay, so let's get started. Now let's analyze this situation. Mike saved 35 pesos. Renz saved 18 pesos. Chloe saved 23 pesos, while Lindy saved 45 pesos. Now, the question is, who among the kids saved the most? And who among them saved the least? Okay, let's analyze the situation. It is said that Lindy saved the most, and Renz saved the least. Okay, very good. Now, let's discuss the different coins and bills. Okay, so here's the Philippine peso with the sign, the letter P. Okay, is the official currency of the Philippines. We have 20 peso coin, 10 peso coin, 5 peso coin, and 1 peso coin, as well as 25 centavo, okay, and 5 centavos. The last one is 1 centavo coin. Okay, so which coin do you prefer to buy something? Okay, of you don't know what is 5 centavos or 1 centavo because we usually use from 1 peso, 5, 10 up to 20 pesos, right? Okay, so now you're going to familiarize the other Philippine peso coin. Now, let's see the following BSP coin series. Okay, this is from 1995 to the present. Okay, they are still in circulation. For example, the 10 pesos, 5 pesos, and the 1 peso coin. Okay, same goes with 20 centavos, 10 centavos, 5 and 1 centavo coins. Meaning, they are still in use up to this day. Okay, let's take a look at the 1,000 peso bill. Now, take a look on the left side. This is the old one, okay, the old 1,000 peso bill with the three person imprinted. We have Jose Fallanes, Jose Abad, and Vicente. The new version of the 1,000 pesos, here on the right, there is imprinted the Philippine eagle, okay, instead of persons. Okay, but at the back of 1,000 peso bill, same, we have the, okay, pearl with a shell or the Tubataha Reefs National Park, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, and also analyze the 500 peso bill, the 200 peso bill, and the 100 peso bills. Okay, so they have different features with a different person, animals, or place imprinted on them. As you can see, both the 20 peso coin and the 20 peso bill are in circulation, or we both use the coin and the bill in 20 pesos, right? So here, you take a look at the 50 pesos and 20 pesos. Okay, so all of the different bills and coins have different features to, okay, to represent. So we have here also the word form and the symbol, okay? For example, 63 pesos and 75 centavos. 345 pesos and 20 centavos. The last one, 870 pesos and 50 centavos. Okay, kindly take a look at the word form and the symbol form. Okay. Okay, now, since you are now familiar with the different Philippine peso coin and bills, answer the activity, okay? Answer the following on your book. That's all for our discussion. Thank you for listening and have a good day.